Hello, my name is Elston Carr. For Data Visualizations 625, Section 9041, Unit 5 Assignment, Recommender Systems, and the product is Coke. This data set represents daily product sales of 95 items at a bakery. It documents transactions by item, date, and time purchased, shows sales of multiple items by individuals and by individual customers. Coke is the product I will be championing in this assignment. Coffee, tea, and juice, respectively, are the most frequently sold beverages, as you see in graph 1. Coke sits near the medium overall sales of the bakery and is one of the least sold beverages, just ahead of mineral water, as we see in graph 1. In comparison to coffee and tea and juice, graph 2 shows Coke sales by time of day. As we see, most Coke is sold just after midday in comparison to these other items. The general rules of the recommender system show that Coke has its highest lift of 4.182 when someone has purchased chicken stew, or when someone purchases a Coke, they are also likely to buy chicken stew. That would be here, and that would be here. Graph 3 is a scatter plot that shows rules in the recommender system when Coke is the antecedent, in which case customers are likely to buy a sandwich, juice, soup, truffles, or chicken stew. That would be here, juice, soup, or chicken stew. In scatter plot 5 shows that rules when Coke is the consequent, in which case customers who buy sandwiches and juice, mineral water, chicken stew, truffles, and sandwich, and coffee and soup are more likely to purchase Coke. That would be graph 5, here with sandwich, mineral water, chicken stew, rule 189, truffles, juice, and so on and so forth. Marketing plan. Since Coke sales are low and since there is a high lift when sandwiches, chicken stew, and soup are purchased, salespeople should be encouraged to always recommend Coke when these items are purchased. On the other hand, when customers purchase sandwiches, chicken stew, and soup, salespeople should also always recommend a Coke. The bakery should add lunch specials that include Coke and add other lunch items that can be paired with Coke. The bakery could be decorated with posters that show items paired with Coke. Management might also consider offering free refills of Coke with certain purchases.